I love Dr. Pimple Popper. I was watching her religiously at some point. Hi, I'm Joellis, and I'm a medical assistant. Today we are going to be watching viral healthcare videos and then choosing a specialty at the end. I actually always wanted to do this. Oh my God. Ew. Ew. I don't know, no. I wouldn't want to do that. I actually always wanted to do this. I don't think he was able to hear before because that's a lot.
Have you seen this done in person?
I have seen this done in person, and I always wanted it done to myself, but I don't know how that would feel. But I heard that it does feel good. It's okay, you can hear after. Yeah, I wouldn't do this. I would assist in peeling, but I wouldn't get this procedure done. It looks painful, and it looks like a actual burn, like a second-degree burn or something. Personally, you would have to pay me $1 billion to get this done. Actually, my For You page is filled with procedures, but specific procedures, maybe not this one. This is my first time seeing this one. Craziest thing that I've seen as a medical assistant in my clinic was a patient that came in that should have went to the hospital. Patient had a huge cyst in their genitals, and there's really nothing that we can do in the office besides call the ambulance, which is exactly what we did. Patient went to surgery, but he's perfectly okay now. Oh no, I hate podiatry. I never understood why people pick podiatry, because it's you're looking at feet all day. It looks satisfying though. And they're doing it so soft and cute. I think I would just yank it out. Is that pus? It looks like there was you know when you have your socks on and the lint gets left over from the sock? That's what that looks like. I've seen them done, but I look away because I don't like feet.
Alanis chose podiatry.
Really like the podiatry too. That would be a close second for me.
Why? I would never pick podiatry ever. Actually, when I was doing my interview, my office does have podiatry, and the first thing I told them was not interested in podiatry. This reminds me of Dr. Pimple Popper. I used to watch it religiously. It would actually be my comfort show before bed, which makes no sense. I loved her. That looks satisfying though. And they're so gentle with it. I would have used tools. One way or the other, we're gonna get it out. Kinda looks like cream. If facial cream that you're getting. The press of being sure. How sure was he that he needed to get that done? Maybe someone should get the procedure. I'm not opposed to that. I'm not opposed to someone getting the procedure. And this is limb lengthening. I didn't even know that was an actual thing. I thought it was just a thing that they put in the movies or in the shows. Oh, this is an option that you can do. You can be short your whole life, or you can be tall for at least half of it. So maybe you do want to just cut your bone and put the metal. That is so cool. Oh my God, this would be so useful for those patients that I cannot find their veins for the life of me. It's either if we can't find it in your arm, we have to go to your hand. If we can't find it in your hand, we have to go to the feet. And I've never known about the vein finder device. After watching all these videos, I think the specialty that I would choose is orthopedics. Honestly, I didn't think I was gonna like ortho, but you learn something new every day, and this procedure, I can vouch for them. There's a lot of short kings, and it's don't worry, we got you. Let us know which video was your favorite in the comments section and what specialty you're working in currently.